talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video. And before I start things off, you guys know what today is. Fall Winter 2018 Supreme Drop Week 1. And if you guys are subscribed to the channel, first of all, thank you guys so much. Thank you for sticking around. I've been gone for maybe 3 months or pretty much all summer. A lot of reasons. I could go into detail about that, but I don't really think people are too interested in that. But yeah, I wanted to say thank you all again, but thank you all again for staying with the channel. Thank you for just watching the video right now. I appreciate all you guys. But yeah, anyways, like I said, Fall Winter 2018 week number 1. And I kind of quit like the last part of the previous season due to me just like not liking a lot of the stuff that was coming out. I think I bought like the Madonna. Yeah, no, what the fuck am I talking about? The Mona Lisa tee. I'm gonna go for the Madonna tee today, which is okay. Yeah, so I bought that, and I don't really know what else I bought, but besides that, I really wasn't feeling a lot of the stuff that was coming out. It just really wasn't. I don't know. Just in general, like I feel like I'm like slowly getting rid of a lot of my Supreme. I'm gravitating away from it. Not like in a way where it's like I don't like it anymore. It's just like there's a lot of stuff that I really don't wear anymore. So I feel like it's just taking up space in my closet. But I still like keep all my accessories and like super like I guess more rare pieces that I have. Not that I have a lot, but I try to like at least narrow it down to what's the most essential for me in a sense. But yeah, enough talking about that stuff. It is 8:57. Drop is 9 a.m. my time. I will be going for a couple things, but just in case I change my mind, I have the drop list here pulled up. Week 1, we're gonna like just I guess run through it really fast. And here are 2 items I'm gonna be going for right away. The Madonna tee, like I said, and the Mophie case for the 8+. I have the 8+ right now. I am planning on getting the 10+ next month. But you know, I'm probably still gonna keep this phone because it's my phone. Like I'm not paying it off or anything, so I will just keep it for I don't know stuff. I will also be going for the shoulder bag right here. This is gonna be like something the toolbox will be something I go for if I don't get like 2 of my items, just because it is $100. But hopefully I do get what I want. Besides that, there's nothing really else I like from this drop. I know people are going for a lot of the clothing stuff. I don't really like anything from this drop for myself to wear personally, so I won't be going for anything. Damn, kind of sucks. It's a big drop. Usually I go for a lot of stuff in the first drop, but this time it's just like I said, I'm just gravitating away from a lot of like the clothing stuff. Actually, this one's pretty cool. Rose long sleeve. That's not bad. It's actually the first time I actually take time to look at the drop. I just really didn't peep it that much. Yeah, 8:58. One thing though, every time the Supreme season ends, the website shuts down. So this is the only drop where if you use Autofill, you won't be able to like check and see if it's working properly. So for what I've done so far is I just signed into my Google account to avoid the CAPTCHA, hopefully. And I have copied my card information onto my clipboard. Hopefully that's enough because I did change cards. My card was due to expire in July. Yeah, July, last month. So I got a new card, and that's during the time that Supreme was like closed. Yeah, so my CVV information and my expiration date are going to be different. So that's going to probably slow me down, but my plan is to go for the Mophie case first and then come back and go for the shirt and the bag. So first Mophie case and then the shirt and the bag. So hopefully everything goes as planned, and I'm just refreshing here. My dog's over there doing some crazy shit. Morty. Okay, it should have dropped. Here it is. iPhone 8+. We're gonna add to cart. Check out. Like I said, my information changed. Oh my god, and nothing's filled in. Oh my god. This is literally the worst drop that could have happened. Bro, this is so bad. This is really bad. And nothing happened. Literally nothing happened. Stop. Marty. Ooh, this is very bad. This is bad, guys. We probably fucked up, guys. Oof. Bad. Well, that's still on my cart, so it's still saying please wait. Hopefully people also messed up due to the fact that autofill wasn't working properly, and then hopefully a lot of bots weren't working. So processing now. I'm gonna wait for it just because I'm not gonna wait for it. The Madonna tee. I don't know what color to go for, man. Black. Sold out. Small. I'm gonna go for it in white. This is still processing, bro. So given that that's what's happening right now, I'm gonna go for a bag. Hopefully in that time, I'm able to check out the Mophie case. Hopefully, I'm gonna go for this bag in purple. Add to cart. Check out. This is still processing, bro. I really don't want to check out with 260 in my cart, cause I don't want to have ordered this twice. Okay, so I got that. I think if I fuck, bro. Fuck. I'm straight. Oh, everything's not in my cart anymore. Was it because I canceled? I don't think that bag's gonna sell out, so we're gonna see if the shirt's still in stock. It's probably not, but you know, you never know. Actually, it still is. Did I say yellow or white, bro? White. Oh, it's not in stock. It's gone. Gone. Well, we fucked up on that one, guys. I could have waited like 2 seconds for the fucking... This is what fucked me up, though, because my address just didn't show up. Yeah, that's fucked. That's fucked. This was the slowest fucking checkout in history, guys. Look, now it's wanting to fucking autofill? That's weird. That's not cool. Like, that's not cool. I did check, so if you go to like the autofill that I use, like the options, if you click on like, if you click on options, it'll bring down all the information, and then you can kind of like review it to see if that's the right one that you use, and it is the right one. Well, the one I'm using is currently the right one, so usually it's fine. This time it wasn't, so I'm gonna add rules for this page. Hopefully that works. It's still processing, so yeah, we missed out on the Madonna tee, which is kind of what I expected. Not expected, but like expected after the point where it wasn't processing. It just was taking forever to process. So initially I thought we would be fine just because there's so many colors. I just thought we would have a lot of time. That one's the first one to go for the tees. And I'm not really fucking with a lot of these. What the fuck? I never even knew that one was here. Yeah, so I got the shoulder bag. So I got the Mophie case and I got the shoulder bag. The Madonna tee is still gone here, and judging by how things went, even if there's like a small restock, I probably won't get it just because of the fact that my autofill is not working properly. So let's go to the accessories. I don't know. I don't think I want anything else, but we're gonna just check it out. Yeah, so all the Mophie cases are gone except for the 8s. 128 for the 8. Yeah, so I'm good with mine. The toolbox is still in stock. This pencil, that's weird. Is this a mechanical pencil? $72 for a mechanical pencil. I'm good, bro. Thermos. This little lock pin. That one's actually pretty sick. Like, this one would be like cool for like a little, like a chain. But it's a pen, so. Okay, that looks like that's pretty much it, actually. The Madonna tee we missed out on. We got the Mophie case and we got the bag. Not the biggest first week drop, but like I said, I wasn't feeling a lot of the stuff. And I just can't bring myself to waste money on something I have no interest in, or have no interest in like selling. I feel like this season was probably good just because a lot of people did like a lot of the stuff, but for me personally, I just, no, thank you. This is actually, are these wax? Yeah, so the Madonna tee is still gone. Okay. That's gonna do it for the video, guys. Supreme Fall Winter 2018 Week 1. Hopefully they drop some nice shit, because I do want to make more videos for you guys, because I know some people like them. There are other people that do check out videos a lot more consistently than me, so it's all good. I'm just doing it because I just like recording my process, show you guys. But yeah, that was it for week 1. I have school today. Today's my first day of school, so I gotta go in like an hour and a half or 2, because I start kind of late today. But I'm chilling. If I do catch the Madonna tee in the restock, I'm just going to leave it recording for like another 5 minutes, and then I'll add that in the video. But if not, that was it. Thank you guys so much. I am planning on making a video for week 2. There might be a Vans drop, so we're going to be looking forward to that. Other than that, that's it for the video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next Fall Winter Supreme drop. Deuces.